Okay, we got some camp flatware, some silverware from Amazon today. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. This was $6.99. What's in a pouch? See if I can open it. Made in China. I needed something to work. I got rid of the plastic silverware. It looks like it doesn't have a belt loop pouch. I was looking for a belt loop pouch, but I ordered another one. I'll show you later. See if I can. Okay. So here we got a fork, a spoon, a knife. I don't see a serrated edge on this knife. So it looks like they open up like this. Got a piece that slides here to lock it. See if I can do that. Pretty lightweight. Not bad. Only $6.99. Comes with a pouch. The brand is DZR ZVD. Okay, there's a fork. Knife is a little sharp. The spoon. Pretty good compact set. Little case. I've got a lot of stuff for my Bugout bag, so if anybody wants to see more, just let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.